your Windows 11 taskbar is bigger and all of icon is bigger, you need to small this icon. Please follow this step. First, search your option, write the resume editor and click first. Open this option. You can follow this step. Follow. Click first one, this second software, Microsoft, then Windows, then CurrentVersion, then Explorer, then Advanced. Click Advanced. Okay, that's it. Copy this name and right click here, click this option and name this taskbar SI. Is it capital? Is one capital? Okay, then click OK. 0 is good, you can OK. Then click on the task manager, check this file explorer and restore. Then see my taskbar is all bar is smaller. That's it. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment and share. See you next video. Thank you.